In a little village, nestled between hills and trees, lived a young girl named Megara. She had the brightest smile and the kindest heart, always ready to help her neighbors. One night, as Megara was gazing at the stars, she noticed one twinkling brighter than the rest. It was as if it was calling her name. With a sense of curiosity, she decided to follow it. She packed her little backpack with a blanket, a flashlight, and some snacks. Her cat, Whiskers, followed her, purring softly. Off they went, into the dark night. The moon lit their path, and the stars seemed to guide them. They crossed streams and climbed hills, but Megara never tired. She was on a mission to find the special star. Finally, they arrived at a clearing. In the center stood a majestic old tree, and the star was perched on one of its branches. Megara approached it with awe, Whiskers by her side. The star spoke, "Megara, I've been watching over you. I've seen your kindness and your courage. I am here to grant you a wish." Megara thought for a moment. She didn't need material riches. She had a loving family, good friends, and a home. So, she wished for the village to always have enough food, water, and love. The star nodded, and a warm light spread throughout the village. From that day forward, the village never knew hunger, thirst, or loneliness. Megara's wish had brought them all closer together. With a final goodbye, Megara and Whiskers returned home, their hearts filled with joy and gratitude. From then on, whenever they looked up at the stars, they knew that one was watching over them, reminding them of the power of kindness and love. And so, every night, Megara would sit under the stars, telling the villagers the tale of her adventure, inspiring them to be kind and helpful, just like her. And they all lived happily ever after. The end.